Hello, welcome to another episode of Big Man in the Woods. I'm Mark, Scout Leader, helping you deliver more practical skills to make your Scout Troop, Cubs, Beavers a really cool place to hang out and enjoy learning new skills. Now in this vlog, I'm going to be teaching you how to make the world famous Big Man in the Woods Campfire Popcorn Maker. It's coming next here on Big Man in the Woods. As you know, I like making things on the cheap, and this is the most cheapest thing, probably one of the things I've ever made. One of the most effective things that I use when I go camping, not just in Scouts, but when I do it with my kids in the back garden, and it's a popcorn maker. All right, really simple. Broomstick. You can use any kind of length of stick. It doesn't have to be this long, it's just the length of a broomstick, and it also gives you a bit of length from the fire, okay? So, I don't know, you might have one knocking around, but it's got to be wood, not plastic, because obviously this is going to go into the campfire. Here, we have got 2 sieves from Poundland. I don't know, supermarkets might do them cheaper, I don't know. So that's all it is, a broomstick and 2 sieves. So make this bit, whatever you want to call this bit, out of a metal coat hanger, unravel it and just wrap around the sieve handle. Then you're going to make a little hook, a bit of a lock, and that locks over the sieve contraption, yeah? So while you're making your popcorn, this just slides over like so, and just traps it in. I've seen these made out of kind of Jubilee clips, whatever, that locks in. So the sieve, when the popcorn pops, it doesn't open the sieve, because if you can imagine, the popcorn could knock that sieve open. And that's it. That's as simple as it is. So how you make the popcorn, really, really simple. This is my microwavable popcorn. You can buy it in all supermarkets, whatever, any flavor you want. I found that making the microwavable popcorn is easier than making the kernels, and then adding your own syrup and stuff. So just getting your normal popcorn, whatever flavor you want. You empty the kernels into the sieve, okay? Don't put the bag in like that, because it will just burn, won't it? But save the bag and pop that in your fire, because it's got some nice oil, so if you add to the fire. Okay, so we're going to pour our kernels into the sieve in here like this. The kernels are in there, not the paper bag. I'll take it out, that's confusion. We're going to close the lid. So now we're going to put the popcorn in our fire. Let's take away the marshmallows. Roasting. So we're going to put the popcorn in the campfire, but we're going to put this on the embers, not the flames like this. If you put the popcorn on the flames, it's going to burn. Put these over the embers so there's nice white, red glowing coals. And exactly what happens in the microwave. Nothing happens for a few minutes, 2-3 minutes. You're thinking nothing is happening. Give it a bit of a shake, and then before you know it, pop, 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 pop. Those kernels will start popping. Give it a little shake as well, because sometimes the kernels get stuck at the bottom of the sieve. Shake, 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 and just watch those bad boys pop. Exactly how it works in the microwave. 2 or 3 minutes later, you have got delicious popcorn. The taste of your popcorn that you've chosen, and also you get a bit of a roasty, smoky flavor from the campfire. And that's how you make campfire popcorn.